Ever wanted the perfect holiday but couldn't find a package that's just right? With x-holidays.com, you're in control to create your dream getaway from start to finish. Here's how. Begin by picking your departure airport, then select your ideal destination, whether it's a city break or a tropical escape. Select your preferred travel dates and tick flexible dates to see options up to 3 days before or after. Tick direct flight if needed. Now, set the number of travelers and add extra rooms if needed. When ready, click search. Explore a range of hotels and personalize your stay. Use filters to select 5-star ratings, meal plans like breakfast included, or amenities like spas and family options. Our top picks are sorted low to high, but you can also switch to price low to high or search for a specific hotel like Sofitel Dubai Jumeirah Beach. Want to customize flights? Click Change Flight to modify airlines, baggage, departure times, and more. When you find a hotel you love, click See Details to adjust features like meal plans and room upgrades. Then click Book Your Holiday once ready. After selecting your holiday, review all details. For extras like private transfers or car rentals, just click to add. Then, pick a payment option. No deposit, monthly payments, or pay in full. Enter passenger info. Click Next, Final Details to go to payment. Enter details, and hit Pay Now to confirm. Your holiday is now booked and ATOL protected for peace of mind. Don't wait to make your dream trip a reality. Start building it today at x-holidays.com.